Moon Phases by Ms. Zig's class. The moon is a shadow. The sun shines on the moon, so the crescent appears. The moon is almost full. It is still growing. The full moon shows the whole front. So it is growing smaller. The moon is half. Waning crescent. A waning crescent has an oval dark side and the light is shining like a crescent. The first people on the moon left their footprints on the moon or not.